Umi Iman and I'm from BS Botany first semester. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and respected audience, I stand before you to emphasize the imperative of human rights in our global community. Today we gather to reform our committed a fundamental principle that unites us all, human rights. What is human rights? These rights are the foundation upon which dignity, freedom and well-being are built. Human rights are not privilege granted by government or institutions. They are inherited in every individual, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, gender, religion or socialism. They are universal, indivisible and indivisible. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights are adopted by the United States in 1948 sets out a broad range of fundamental rights and freedom, including the right of life, liberty and security of person, freedom of torture and discrimination, and the right to education, health care and participation in health care. Human rights in Gaza and Kashmir are pressing concerns that have general international attention. Respected audience, in Kashmir, there have been reports of excessive force by Indian security force resulting in civilian casualties and injuries. The use of shotguns have been particularly continuous, causing serious harms to civilians and protesters. Moreover, there have been allegations of torture and sexual violence. On the other hand, in Gaza, the situation also dire. The Israeli occupation has led to widespread human rights abuses. That are including the use of excessive force against civilians, restrictions on movement and access to basic necessities like targeting of water, food, and journalists and human rights defenders. The international communities has been criticized for not doing caught for address the human rights crisis. The United Nations has issued several reports, resolutions commenting the human rights abuses in both regions, but more needs to be done to hold these responsible accountable. So human rights are not just a moral imperative, that they are foundation for a just, equitable and peaceful world. Let us reform our commitment to abuse human rights and work together to build a world where every individual can live with dignity and respect. So we must educate ourselves and others about the human rights that use all share and must hold our leaders accountable for us holding these rights and support those who are fighting for their rights and amplify their voices. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Naseem Akhtar from Economics Department to share his opinion about human rights violation.